Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video. Today I have another TWS Infinix Buds Neo to review. For the price of Rs 1400, it seems impressive. So I decided to try it and see if it is worth buying. This is the retail box of Infinix Buds Neo. Before talking about the TWS, first have a look at the quick unboxing. Inside the box, you get TWS, lanyard, charging cable, extra pair of ear tips, and user manual. Now let's talk about the design and the build quality. The Infinix Buds Neo comes in a compact pebble-shaped charging case that is made from a sturdy plastic material. The charging case features a glossy finish that feels really premium, but it will attract fingerprints and scratches quite easily. It features a small LED indicator light that indicates battery charging status. There is also a place to attach the lanyard for easy carrying or to prevent it from getting lost. The lid opens smoothly with a satisfying click. The hint of orange inside the case looks good. The earbuds have a sleek and modern design. The gold accent at the top also feels good. It also has an LED indicator light on the stems. The buds are lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods. The in-ear fit is also secure and prevents earbuds from falling out during activities. In case the default ear tips are not secure enough, you also get two extra pairs of different sizes. Buds also support touch controls to control sound, music playback and call. The touch controls are responsive and easy to use. You can also change these controls using the app. I will talk about the app later in the video. Buds also feature IPX4 water resistance, making them good for workouts and outdoor usage. Overall, I am satisfied with the design and build quality. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Buds pack 13mm dynamic drivers and deliver a sound profile that is well balanced for the price. The bass is pronounced and offers a satisfying punch. The mids remain clear and articulate. The treble is slightly subdued and provides a slightly warmer overall sound. The sound quality is really impressive for the price, and buds are good for a wide range of genres. The gaming mode on the Infinix Buds Neo helps to reduce latency and ensure the audio cues are synchronized with the on-screen action. While the latency is not as low as some dedicated gaming earbuds, it should be sufficient for most casual gamers. To enter the gaming mode, tap the left earbud 3 times. There is also a dedicated companion app called WeLife. When you open the app, you can see the battery level of both the earbuds and the charging case. The app offers several customization options to enhance your listening experience. You can fine-tune the sound profile to suit your music taste. There are also options to customize the touch controls on the earbuds. The Infinix Buds Neo features 4 microphones with environmental noise cancellation, which helps to improve call quality. The call quality is generally good even in noisy environments. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection with your devices. The earbuds connect quickly and seamlessly with minimal audio dropouts. It supports SBC codec that is basic but good for everyday listening. Each bud packs a 40 mAh battery and the charging case has 500 mAh battery. Infinix promises 6 hours of individual playback and 28 hours of total music playback with the charging case. During my testing, I was getting around 5.5 hours of music playback and close to 26 hours of total music playback. If I compare it with competition, we have so many buds in the same price segment offering 50 hours or more music playback. So battery is the segment where Infinix Buds Neo seems behind the competitive products. But it also stands out with good music. The Infinix Buds Neo is a solid choice for budget-conscious consumers looking for a pair of reliable wireless earbuds. They offer a decent sound quality and a comfortable fit. You also get a companion app to customize music and touch controls. This is hard to find in a TWS of this price segment. Battery life is not as good as other TWS of this segment, but 26 hours of music playback is still good enough for many people. If you are on a tight budget and prioritize affordability without sacrificing too much performance, the Infinix Buds Neo is definitely worth considering. If you want even longer battery life, you need to look at other options. That's it for this video. If you have anything to ask, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.